Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods, and you can tell by the intro what we're looking at today. Today we're looking at the torch from Wish. Now if you shop on Wish, you probably have seen this a few times. I haven't paid much money for it, so I'm not expecting a lot, but I want to describe to you what they show you and what you actually get. So I'm going to compare this to my little flashlight, because I'm trying to stay in the price range, not compare it to an old light or an Oldie Pro or something like that. So this is a flashlight you can probably get from a Poundland or a gas station. So that's my comparison between the two. But let's look on the table now. I just want to show you the weight comparison between the two. Right, so first up is the Wish torch, which is a gazillion lumens. And that's coming in at 107 grams. And then you have the Poundland torch, which comes in at 60 grams. Now the size comparison between the two. So height wise, it's not really too far off. Say maybe 2 inches. Thickness wise, it is going to be a huge difference there on the front head of it. Now those are single LEDs in that one, on this one, and this one has, a bit more. But they say this one's waterproof. I doubt it, because the charging point here, that doesn't take much. So I wouldn't call that waterproof. Even if you pushed it in all the way, it's not a solid seal there. And then you can see the little bits of glue on the seams. This to me is like a kid's toy. Now I'll show you a reason why. This is so ridiculously light. Okay, it only has a few settings on it. So you have the power on, which is the brightest, and then a dull one, then flash, and then you have this one here, which that will probably be handy, and then off. And then when you have it on, you have LEDs here, and each one of them tells you how much power you have left. Whereas Poundland, on off. Right, no, calm down, the dog's getting all freaked out. Right, so let's go outside now, and I'll show you how these million gazillion lumens look. I don't even know how they figure that. I don't know how they write it down or what they mean. If they actually mean 10 lumens, because there's no way the lumens in those pictures in the advert, which are the ones they put on Wish, and to ones I have here, which is 107 grams, is equal to. So let's take it outside now, and I'll show you real quick. Right, so we're outside now, and between the two, here's the Wish one. Alright, so that's full beam, that's lighter, there's your strobe, and then there's your blinding one for that you forget about. Compared to the Wish one, to Poundland I mean, sorry. So there you are, Poundland. Wish one is brighter, but I wouldn't say it is the lumens it advertises. That's ridiculous. Right, so how far can it go? I say not beyond that bush over there. This would be an ideal torch for maybe dog walking or something like that. I'm going to leave this in my shed because of, besides this bit I found useful. I could just put it down, look for something I'm going for. But I'm just getting people's houses now. But yeah. I think it was, I want to say 4 pounds. Right, so that's the outside comparison between these two. Would I recommend this? For 4 pounds, I would say it's alright. I'm not paying more than 4 pounds. The main issue I have is them saying and photoshopping everything that the light can't do. If you're gonna say, if this doesn't go that far or is not that many lumens, don't say it is. That's my issue. That's a bit misleading. But when you buy from Wish, you're not expecting top quality stuff or even 4 pound stuff. But I'm expecting the 4 pound stuff to work as a 4 pound stuff is advertised, if that makes sense. But I mainly buy little bits of bobs off Wish that I need. Like I recently bought like loads of little hooks for projects or maybe some small ferro rods and stuff like that. Electronics and clothing I wouldn't buy off Wish at all. I only bought this out of curiosity and to show you guys, of course. So does it work? Yes. Does it work as they stated? No. Another issue I have is the packaging. This came like this with bubble wrap, and that was it. In a padded envelope, and from China. That's not great, because this could have broken. You know what I'll do? Wait another month and a half for another one. Yeah, so they could have put something, you know, a bit more sturdy than that. And then saying this is waterproof when obviously there's no way that this could be waterproof, because if you can see that, that's still up. So so this is going to be either a dog walking torch or something that will stay in my shed. Hopefully, I don't know what kind of battery type it is. It's rechargeable obviously, but I don't know if it's going to stay up in the cold in the shed. I did try to find more information on this. I couldn't find it anywhere on YouTube. This that people reviewed, maybe because it's so bad, I don't know. But let me know what you think in the comments section. What's your experience with Wish, and what kind of items you like to buy from there? Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and please like the video. See you next video. Bye.